We are now in our home section. It is the first one that we will implement. As you can see, we have a meteor animation. It's coming from there in the back. It looks like a meteor shower and your name appears here. Your smaller picture is here and the bigger picture appears on this side. Your skills are displayed in this part using type.js. One by one. There is a typing animation which is typing this expression here, and there is information about you in this section too. Next, here we have a button for downloading CV, which by clicking on it, your CV will be downloaded. I have used the PDF format for the CV. You can change its URL and use the URL of your own CV. And in this part, as you can see, you can add the URLs to your social media accounts. For example, your GitHub, Stack Overflow, Facebook, or LinkedIn, or any other social media account which you might desire. And this one on the side, as you can see, is the sidebar, which is the same on all pages. And now, because home is active, it has a distinct background. You can also view the website in responsive mode. See how beautiful it is? When I make the page smaller, the photo moves down and these appear in this part. And if I make it even smaller, the menu moves to the left and disappears like this. As you can see, these now look like this, 2 by 2, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. And you can view the website aesthetically on any device such as different cell phones. The way it looks is beautiful, and we'll start doing that next.